how to turn on pages you follow push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pages you follow push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and here just click pages you follow and click push turn it on, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.